want to speak English more naturally in your daily life, to have the right sentence ready when you need it, that's exactly what we're going to practice today. Welcome to Clearly English, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Today is a listen and repeat speaking practice episode. I'm going to say useful daily English sentences, and your job is to repeat them out loud. That's it. Listen and repeat. And don't worry about being perfect. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You just need to listen, repeat, and practice. So, Alex, are you ready to practice with us?
I'm ready, and I really like this kind of practice because it gives me sentences I can actually use. Sometimes I know the words, but I can't put them together fast enough, so having ready-made sentences really helps.
Exactly. And that's the whole idea today. When you have simple sentences ready in your mind, you speak faster and more confidently. You don't have to build every sentence from nothing, you just use the ones you've practiced. So let me quickly explain how to use this episode. First, listen to the sentence. Second, repeat it out loud. Don't just say it in your head, say it with your voice. And third, later, use the sentence in your own real life. That's how these sentences become part of your natural English. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's begin with morning sentences. These are sentences you can use at the start of your day. Repeat each one after me. I woke up early today.
I woke up early today.
I woke up late today.
I woke up late today.
I'm still tired.
I'm still tired.
I need coffee.
I need coffee.
I'm making coffee.
I'm making coffee.
I had breakfast.
I had breakfast.
I'm getting ready.
I'm getting ready.
I'm taking a shower.
I'm taking a shower.
I'm getting dressed.
I'm getting dressed.
I checked my phone.
I checked my phone.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
I have to leave soon.
I have to leave soon.
I'm leaving now.
I'm leaving now.
I'm starting my day.
I'm starting my day.
Perfect. Those are your morning sentences. And everyone listening, did you repeat them out loud? If not, that's okay, but try to use your voice. Saying the words out loud is what makes them stick. Let's say a few of those again. I woke up early today.
I woke up early today.
I need coffee.
I need coffee.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
Good. These are all things you might say or think every single morning. Now let's move to work and school sentences. These are useful whether you work in an office, work from home, or study. Repeat after me. I'm going to work.
I'm going to work.
I started work at 9.
I started work at 9.
I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting this afternoon.
I have a meeting this afternoon.
I need to answer some emails.
I need to answer some emails.
I'm working on a project.
I'm working on a project.
I have a lot to do.
I have a lot to do.
I'm really busy today.
I'm really busy today.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
I'm taking a break.
I'm taking a break.
I'm studying English.
I'm studying English.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
I finished my work.
I finished my work.
I had a productive day.
I had a productive day.
Excellent! Those are your work and school sentences. How did those feel, Alex?
Really natural. Like these are exactly the things I'd want to say at work. Especially I'm working on a project and I have a lot to do. Those come up all the time.
They really do, and now you have them ready. Let's repeat a few. I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
I have a lot to do.
I have a lot to do.
I had a productive day.
I had a productive day.
Good. Now let's move to home and family sentences. These are sentences for your life at home. Cooking, cleaning, relaxing, spending time with family. Repeat after me. I'm home now.
I'm home now.
I'm making dinner.
I'm making dinner.
I'm cooking dinner.
I'm cooking dinner.
I need to clean the kitchen.
I need to clean the kitchen.
I'm washing the dishes.
I'm washing the dishes.
I'm doing laundry.
I'm doing laundry.
I'm cleaning the house.
I'm cleaning the house.
I'm spending time with my family.
I'm spending time with my family.
I'm relaxing at home.
I'm relaxing at home.
I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
I need to rest.
I need to rest.
I'm really tired tonight.
I'm really tired tonight.
I'm going to bed soon.
I'm going to bed soon.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to sleep.
Perfect. Those are your home and family sentences. Simple, natural, and useful every single evening. Let's repeat a few. I'm making dinner.
I'm making dinner.
I'm relaxing at home.
I'm relaxing at home.
I'm going to bed soon.
I'm going to bed soon.
Good. And everyone listening, keep repeating out loud. Every sentence you say is practice. Every sentence you say builds your confidence. Now let's do a quick recap before we keep going. So far, we've practiced morning sentences, work and school sentences, and home and family sentences. That's already a lot of useful daily English, and you're doing great. Now let's move to errands and daily tasks. These are sentences for the things you do outside the house. Shopping, appointments, getting around. Repeat after me. I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the grocery store.
I'm going to the grocery store.
I made a shopping list.
I made a shopping list.
I need to pick something up.
I need to pick something up.
I have an appointment.
I have an appointment.
I have a doctor's appointment.
I have a doctor's appointment.
I need to go to the pharmacy.
I need to go to the pharmacy.
I'm running some errands.
I'm running some errands.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'll be there soon.
I'll be there soon.
I'm almost there.
I'm almost there.
I'm walking to the store.
I'm walking to the store.
I'm driving right now.
I'm driving right now.
Excellent. Those errand sentences are so practical. You'll use them constantly. Let's repeat a few of the most useful ones. I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'll be there soon.
I'll be there soon.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
Perfect. Now let's move to food and restaurant sentences. These are great for meals, ordering food, and talking about what you like to eat. Repeat after me. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry.
I'm making lunch.
I'm making lunch.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get the chicken sandwich?
Can I get the chicken sandwich?
I'll have the same.
I'll have the same.
Can I see the menu?
I can see the menu.
I'm trying to eat healthier.
I'm trying to eat healthier.
This tastes really good.
This tastes really good.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
I'm full.
I'm full.
Can I get the check, please?
Can I get the check, please?
Perfect. Those food sentences are wonderful because you can use them at home and at restaurants. How did those feel, Alex?
Really useful. I love "Can I get the chicken sandwich?" That's exactly the kind of sentence I freeze on when I'm ordering, but now I have it ready.
Exactly. And that's the power of practicing these sentences. When the moment comes, you're ready. Let's repeat a couple. I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I get the check, please?
Can I get the check, please?
Good. Now let's move to feelings and opinions. These sentences help you express how you feel and what you think. Repeat after me. I feel good today.
I feel good today.
I'm a little tired.
I'm a little tired.
I'm really happy.
I'm really happy.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
I think that's a good idea.
I think that's a good idea.
I like it.
I like it.
I really like it.
I really like it.
I don't really like it.
I don't really like it.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
I agree.
I agree.
I'm not so sure about that.
I'm not so sure about that.
Excellent. Those are your feelings and opinions sentences. And these are so important because they let you share your real self in English. Not just facts, but how you feel and what you think. Let's repeat a few. I feel good today.
I feel good today.
I think that's a good idea.
I think that's a good idea.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Good. Now let's do another quick recap. We've practiced morning, work, home, errands, food, and feelings. That's a huge amount of useful daily English, and you're repeating it out loud, which is exactly what builds speaking confidence. Now let's move to social conversation sentences. These are the phrases you use with friends, coworkers, and neighbors. Small talk and friendly conversation. Repeat after me. How's your day going?
How's your day going?
How are you?
How are you?
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
What are you doing later?
What are you doing later?
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
Let me know.
Let me know.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later.
I'll text you.
I'll text you.
Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you later.
See you later.
Take care.
Take care.
Perfect. Those social sentences are the glue of everyday conversation. They help you start conversations, keep them going, and end them warmly. Let's repeat a few. How's your day going?
How's your day going?
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Wonderful. Now let's do some focused listen and repeat practice rounds. I'm going to give you groups of sentences, and we're going to say them together with a good rhythm. Round 1. Things you say in the morning. Repeat after me. I woke up early.
I woke up early.
I'm making coffee.
I'm making coffee.
I'm getting ready.
I'm getting ready.
I'm leaving now.
I'm leaving now.
Good. Round 2. Things you say at work. I have a meeting.
I have a meeting.
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
Perfect. Round 3. Things you say at home. I'm making dinner.
I'm making dinner.
I'm relaxing.
I'm relaxing.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
Excellent. Round 4. Things you say to people. How are you?
How are you?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Let me know.
Let me know.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Great work. Everyone listening, you're doing so well. Keep repeating out loud. Now I want to show you something powerful, how to build your own sentences by changing just one word. This is how you turn a few sentences into hundreds. Listen, I'm going to work.
I'm going to work.
Now I just changed the last word. I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the gym.
I'm going to the gym.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
See? Same sentence, one word changed, 5 different sentences. Now let's try another one. I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy milk.
I need to buy milk.
I need to buy bread.
I need to buy bread.
I need to buy a few things.
I need to buy a few things.
Perfect. Now, Alex, you try. Take the sentence, I'm making, and change the last word a few times.
Okay. I'm making coffee. I'm making lunch. I'm making dinner. I'm making a sandwich.
Excellent. You just made 4 sentences from one pattern. Now try one more. Take I like and change the end.
I like coffee. I like this song. I like my job. I like learning English.
Perfect. Do you see how easy that is? When you learn one sentence pattern, you can make so many sentences just by changing one word. This is how you build natural, flexible English. And everyone listening, you can do this too. Take any sentence we practiced today and change one word. Make it about your life. Make it about your day. That's how these sentences become truly yours. Now let's do our final daily English practice. I'm going to give you a set of really useful sentences to finish with. Repeat them out loud with confidence. Ready?
Ready.
I'm having a good day.
I'm having a good day.
I'm doing my best.
I'm doing my best.
I'm learning every day.
I'm learning every day.
I can do this.
I can do this.
I'm practicing my English.
I'm practicing my English.
I'm getting better.
I'm getting better.
Now let's add some confidence sentences. These are special. Say them and believe them. I can speak simple English.
I can speak simple English.
I can use English every day.
I can use English every day.
I am improving with practice.
I am improving with practice.
Simple sentences help me communicate.
Simple sentences help me communicate.
I am becoming more confident.
I am becoming more confident.
How did those feel, Alex?
really good, especially the confidence ones. Saying I can do this and I'm getting better out loud actually makes me believe it more.
That's exactly right. The words you say to yourself matter. And when you say, I can speak English, your brain starts to believe it. And belief leads to action. And action leads to progress. So here's what I want you to do. Come back to this episode again. Listen and repeat one more time. And the second time, you'll feel even more confident. The third time, even more. Repetition is how these sentences become automatic. And when they're automatic, you don't have to think. You just speak.
So the secret is just repeating it again and again.
That's the secret. Repetition builds fluency. So play this episode whenever you have a few minutes. In the morning, on your commute, while you're cooking, while you're walking. Just listen and repeat. And little by little, these daily sentences will become part of your natural English. Thank you so much for practicing with us today on Clearly English. If this episode helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And leave a comment below and tell us which sentence from today are you going to use first. Write it in the comments, practice it out loud, and make it yours. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need simple sentences and the courage to use them. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking every day. We believe in you. See you next time.
See you next time.